I'd love to share your Bitcoin adoption page from the report you sent me, and maybe you could walk us through how this works and where you see price ultimately going.
Yeah, so if you take an S curve and you put it on a log scale, you get this, I don't know what you would call it, this parabolic looking shape. And Bitcoin's followed that shape pretty closely, except in periods where the price was manipulated. That's a separate paper that other people have written, and I've written on that as well. But that trend line represents exponential growth in users applied to Metcalfe's law. Invariably comes back down to that trend line. So these estimates here, now these estimates I might reduce these a little bit because there are people that don't understand this and therefore just value Bitcoin like a tech stock. And I think that's wrong. I think but it could take years to play out for people to realize that approach is wrong. So the behavior of Bitcoin's price isn't always indicative of the value that's underneath it. But yeah, as long as Bitcoin continues on its trend, so the most recent data that I have, and it's not on here, is that user growth is increasing at 15% a year, which means roughly that Bitcoin's value would increase at 30% per year. 30% per year from $30,000 as of June. So just do 30% a year from June, and that's probably Bitcoin's floor value. Now we're well below that now because times are tough, right? We're going through this huge period of uncertainty, and every asset value suffers during times like that. Eventually it will correct. Now, I don't know if it corrects in 6 months or if it corrects in 6 years, but eventually it will correct.